this is Chapter 3, Lesson 1, little review of properties from your past. Most of you are really familiar with the commutative property. That did not do what I wanted it to, but that's okay. So just a reminder, the commutative property deals with order. So your drive to school and your drive home are the same distance no matter which way you went. So here is an example using just our algebraic variables. If you had a plus b, it's the same as b plus a. Take any numbers. Let's take easy ones. 2 plus 3, that's 5. It is still 5 even if you have 3 plus 2. That is the same with the commutative property. And it is true even if you have negative numbers. So let's do negative 3 times 4. That's negative 12. And if we switched it and did 4 times negative 3, that's still negative 12. So I just wanted to show you that it's the same. It still holds true even if you have negative numbers. I think most of you are pretty familiar with that property. The associative property is the one that deals with grouping. Commutative is order, associative is grouping. Notice that on this side, the order is a plus b plus c, and it is still a plus b plus c on this side. The order didn't change. What changed is the location of the parentheses. On the left, you have to do the b plus c first. And on the right, you have to do the a plus b first. So the thing that changed is what was in the group. Let's try it with numbers. 2 plus parentheses 3 plus 4. I'm going to keep the same order over here, but I'm going to put the parentheses around the 2 plus 3. Now let's see if this is actually true. And on this side, I have to do what's in the parentheses first because of the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So I'm going to do 2 plus 7, which is 9. So on the left, I get 9. On this side, I have to do 2 plus 3 first, which is 5, and 5 plus 4 is still 9. So this is just proving to you that the associative property works. It also works for multiplication. Notice I have a times b times c, a times b times c. The only thing that's different is where the parentheses are. Let's do negative 2 times 3 times 4. And on this side, I'm going to put the negative 2 in the parentheses, negative 2 times 3, and then have times 4 at the end. So the thing that changed is what is in the group. I have to do parentheses first. So I'm going to have negative 2 times 12, which is negative 24. And over here, negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. So this part is just proving to you that I get the same answer no matter where the parentheses are. So the order stayed the same, but the groups change. So again, commutative, the order changes. Associative, who you associate with, is your group, what group you're hanging out with. All right, the identity property. I think of identity as who I am. I am me. I am me no matter what clothes I wear. I am me no matter how I do my hair. I am me at my house. I am me at school. Your identity is who you are. You don't change. So when we think about addition, we think about if I am A, what could I add to A so that I'll always be A? You could add 0. And that is the identity property of addition. And that works no matter what number I pick. Negative 100 plus 0, I'm still me, negative 100. Let's try it for multiplication, identity property of multiplication. Let's say I'm A. What would I multiply times A to still have A? Hopefully you said you're going to multiply by 1. That's true. So 25 times 1 is 25. What you start with is what you end with. You are you. That is your identity. Is that it? Oh my. Okay, that's